From first day, I was even not able to sit on my heels. And today I could walk, and that was mesmerizing to me. सर फर्स्ट डे जब मैंने शुरू किया था तो मैं इस वॉक पे बिल्कुल भी नहीं आता था। आज की डेट में मैं आप उस पे चलने लगा हूँ और अब मैं बिल्कुल आराम से बैठ रहा हूँ। ये मेरा वॉक है। As I already told you several times to you that I have gone through a spinal surgery. My L5S1 disc was not only protruded but a sequestration. A fragment has been migrated to the central canal that was causing a irritable pain, and that has been removed after surgery. But even after surgery, I didn't get relief from the pain. So when I heard the advertisement for the Fine Pain Reverse program on Facebook, and then I first joined 2 days session with you, and later I found that it is something which I should try. Monday I have started, and now it is my 3rd day. And I'm very happy that I have joined this program. And from first day, I was even not able to sit on my heels. And today I could walk, and that was mesmerizing to me. So all thanks to you. Yeah, that is something, like your program say that there was no medicine. As the name said, the same thing what I have experienced here.